Transform your static PDFs into editable masterpieces with Dochub, your all-in-one solution for powerful PDF editing. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access Dochub. Simply navigate to their website. Once you're there, click on the prominent Upload button to bring your PDF file into the editor. You can upload directly from your computer or even connect to cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox for quick access. Your PDF will then load into the Dochub editing interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the toolbar that appears at the top. Ready to make changes? The most common task is editing text. Select the Text tool, which usually looks like an A or a text cursor. Then, click on any existing text within your PDF. A text box will appear, allowing you to erase, modify, or add new words and sentences with ease. This is perfect for updating information or correcting errors. But it's not just about changing words. With the Text tool active, you'll see options to adjust the font, size, and color of your text. You can truly customize the appearance to match your document's style. Need to add visuals? The Add Image tool is your go-to. Click this icon, then select Image. You can upload a new image from your device or choose one you've already stored in Dochub. Once the image is in your PDF, you can resize it by dragging the corner handles, move it around precisely, and position it wherever it's needed. This is ideal for incorporating logos, diagrams, or any other graphics. Dochub also excels at adding signatures and annotations. Look for the Signature tool or often a sign button. You can draw your signature, type it out, or upload an image of your signature. Beyond signatures, explore tools for adding check marks, circles, or drawing freehand to highlight important sections or make notes. These annotation tools are fantastic for collaboration and marking up documents for review. No need to print and rescan. Once you've finished all your edits and are happy with the result, it's time to save. Look for the Download button. Typically found in the top right corner, you can choose to download your edited PDF back to your computer or directly to your cloud storage. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Dochub to edit PDFs, making them dynamic and perfectly updated documents. Unleash your PDF editing power today.